Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post updates like this, you will be the first one to know about it. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and review purposes only. I am only sharing my personal opinion and experience using this app. Results and experiences may vary depending on the user. Please do your own research before joining any online platform. Thank you. So real quick, I'm going to be talking about this app that you can actually use to live stream and you will earn money from it. So this one is a new one. So if you open your own, after you see the link to sign up this app in the description of this video, on the comment section of this video, the link will be there. Just click on it and it will take you to download the app, then register. Please may always screenshot your details so that you will not forget them. Then after everything, you see it, you go to the me section. You know, number one is verification, so you go to the me section. App 100,000 points is equals to $1. So a day, for good 7 days, if you do tax, they will pay you a day is 80k for 1 hour. So calculate it times 7, calculate it. Then let's go to, let me show you something. Let me do as if I want to withdraw. The minimum withdraw to withdraw here is 1 million coin. That's $10. So you can see exchange rate 100,000 coin. You see it. Then you see if you want to transfer, you see it. Minimum to withdraw is 1 million points. You see. Then make sure that you coin seller, you can call coin seller. Maybe you have, I will give you somebody if you want to buy a coin that you can buy with. That one's actually good. So that's just in case of you that will be asking, how many points is 80? This 100,000 points is equals to $1 for this app. Your own, when you register, you will see the under tax. When you click on tax, after doing tax, they'll be telling you to verify before you can claim. You see all the tax you have here. You see them. New host, 1 hour on the mic, they'll give you 80k coin. That's it there. 80k points. You see, they will give you. And this app, this tax is for 7 days. This newbie tax is for 7 days. When you start, please don't miss anyone. Make sure you always do it. See, post reward. My own is showing like this. Your own might be different from my own. So this is it. You do all these tax. See, when you do all these tax, then when you are done, you claim. Then you can edit your profile. You see my profile. You can edit it. And I will give you the agency code. You want to join the agency, I will give you the agency code so that you can join the agency. Because without you don't join an agency, you can't do tax. You can see it. I will give you the agency code so that you can join. Then invite. If you want to invite somebody, you can actually say invite somebody. You come here, you click on your link and you invite. You see them. You invite. When you invite, when the person has registered, do verification. Then I think the person have to go on live. Then you come here and claim. You will see the money that they have given you here. You just come, you claim. It will be added to your balance. Then coin seller. You want to buy coin. We don't normally use app. If you are doing live stream, we don't normally use app to get coin. We have some people that normally sell coin. You chat them on WhatsApp, they will sell for you. We don't use app. Then store, different things you want to tell to their customer support. You can click on here, then you talk to them. You see now I'm currently on live. I'm in live session. I'm in my agency now. Let me show you. See it. I'm doing my own crown tax now. You too, make sure you do your tax. This is where you'll be doing it. When you join the agency, you will be seeing this panel. This is where you come, you sit down and do tax. It's not like Glow Life. This one is inside agency, you will do your tax. If some agency, if you go, they will kick you out. So the person that invites you, you join the agency, you will do the tax. That's how it is. So minimize. Let me minimize it. You can minimize. So level. Some people say they don't know their level on the distance. This is where you check your level. You see? This is where you check your level. This is it. Then this is the wet level. Then the charm. Let me click on it. See it. This is where you check it. I just registered today. They gave me this thing today. You see a new app. I was interested, so I quickly joined. Then see the agency here. I'll give you the agency code. You see it under. You see it. Let this thing display. See the agency code. Everything is here. You see it. So let's go back. Message. You want to see your message. Maybe you chatted somebody. You want to see it. Yeah, you can chat here. You chat here. Want to chat customer, you see there. Events, if you plan any events, you see it there. Then this is the dashboard. Maybe you want to just play around. You are done with your tax, you don't have anything doing, you want to go to people's agency. This is how it is. You see it. This is people's agency. So let's go back, because me, I'm doing my tax. I don't want them to exit me. I think they have exited me. So let me enter my way again. So we have to wait. And this main seat is not for anybody. It's for only the admin. The rest seat you can sit down, but that up seat is for only the admin. So minimize. You see it. You see different parts here. You want to change the country, just come here, just click on it and change the country you want. Change the country you want. They will display here. They will just display here. And one thing about streaming app is that you can make good friends here. You can even meet your destiny helper here. You can even meet your, maybe you are looking for a husband, or you are looking for a partner. You can meet anybody here. Just do follow up on the person and try and understand the person. That's how it is. Then I don't think there's any other thing that I want to say that I've not said. I don't know. I'm not sure. So any other thing that comes up, maybe I have something I want to tell you, and I can do a video and I will tell you this is how to do it. This is how to do it. So we are allowed to load. Don't mind my network. For the past 2 days now, I've been having a very bad network. So I'm trying to cope with it. So go back to me session. You see it. When you come, see, don't disturb me. I'm doing this thing. When you come edit your profile, edit everything. You are disturbing me. Edit everything. Edit your profile. Then put your picture. Everything you want to edit it. This is just it. And thank you guys for always supporting me. I love you guys. Please, when you register, you don't understand anything, don't forget, you can write this under the comment section, or you can join the WhatsApp group and state your own problem. Then anyone can reply you and answer you. That's how it is. Bye guys. I love you all.